Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and download or install your WhatsApp app there in your mobile phone. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're gonna go ahead and step into our video. So you want to do so, first of all, go and open your App Store or Play Store right there in your mobile phone. And then you're gonna go ahead to your search bar and type in the name of the app, WhatsApp. So as you can see, once you type in, you can get this WhatsApp Messenger, and business we're gonna go ahead WhatsApp Messenger. And as you can see here, this app is already downloaded and installed here. So what you're gonna do is, it needs an update or install. You're gonna simply go ahead, tap on that option and tap on that install option that will be given right here instead of update or the download. Once you've done that, you're gonna go, you will be able to download your app or install it right there. For example, let me show you. For example, I have searched this, and if I see that, then I will be able to just get option beside the app, right? You will see the same option beside your app. If it's Play Store, you will see this install option. In here in iOS, you will see this get option. Go ahead, tap on it, and you will be able to download and install your WhatsApp app right there in your mobile phone. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you guys in our next video.